In this video, I will show you 3 quick ways to remove duplicate data in Excel. Let's jump in. The first way to remove duplicates is with a single column of data. Notice some of the repeated names like John Doe and Chris Lee. First, you can either select the names as I've just done, or select the entire column. Then click on the Data tab and click on Remove Duplicates. If you don't see this button, look for the Remove Duplicates icon shown here. Otherwise, expand your window until you see the full button. In this dialog box, you're asked if your data has headers. In this case, we don't, so we'll leave it unchecked. We want to remove duplicates in column A, so we'll leave this checked, then click OK. Excel removed 5 duplicates and 10 unique values remain. You'll see that John Doe, Chris Lee, and others no longer have duplicates in the list. Let's move on to method number 2, which is removing duplicates from data in multiple columns. Just like before, select the columns in which you have duplicate data, then make sure you're on the Data tab and click on Remove Duplicates. This time, our data has headers, so check the My Data Has Headers checkbox. Excel looks for duplicates in the combination of data from these checked columns. For example, if we uncheck email, Excel only looks for duplicate first and last name combinations. Let's click OK and see what happens. 22 duplicates were removed. Let's scroll to the bottom so you can see the impact. Notice how the entire duplicate rows were removed, even though we were only looking for duplicates in first and last name. Let's move on to method number 3, using a formula. Sometimes you don't want to remove the duplicates, you just want to get the unique values. For example, here's a list of orders that occurred in the last day, and you want to get the unique list of customer names and email addresses out of this list. To do that, I'll click on cell F2. I'll then type equals because we're about to use a formula. Then I'll type the unique formula and then open parenthesis. Let's then select the data we want to remove duplicates from, so the name and email combination. Then type a closing parenthesis and press enter. Excel tells you that the result of your formula spilled into neighboring cells. That's totally okay and actually expected, so we'll click Got it. The unique formula has a few other parameters which I'll cover quickly. First is the by call parameter. If set to true, you can look for unique data across columns instead of rows. Next is the exactly once parameter, which, if set to true, will only return rows that have 0 duplicates. Let's try that now. So Excel shows us that Emily Davis is the only customer in here one time. I hope this helped you clean up your data and save time in Excel. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you found this one useful, and I'll see you in the next one.